Lower operating costs. Charging an electric car is significantly cheaper than refueling a gasoline-powered car, and electric cars require less maintenance since they have fewer moving parts. Improved performance. Electric vehicles offer instant torque, providing smooth acceleration and enhanced driving experience. With fewer moving parts, lower emissions, and cheaper fuel costs, electric cars provide a sustainable and economically viable solution for modern transportation. The environmental impact of electric cars cannot be overstated. They contribute significantly to reducing air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, which are leading contributors to global warming. Key environmental benefits include reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. By running entirely on electricity, electric cars do not emit harmful gases like CO2, helping to mitigate climate change. Energy efficiency. Electric motors are far more energy efficient than gasoline engines, converting more of the energy into motion, which reduces overall energy consumption. Renewable energy integration. Electric cars can be powered by renewable energy sources like solar and wind, further reducing their environmental footprint. Electric cars help fight climate change, reduce pollution, and make sustainable energy more accessible for the future. By 2025, electric cars will no longer be a niche market, but will become a mainstream option for drivers worldwide. Several factors are driving this shift, including government incentives. Many governments are offering subsidies, tax credits, and other incentives to encourage consumers to purchase electric vehicles. Improved charging infrastructure. The growing availability of public charging stations makes owning an electric car more convenient than ever before.